How are we doing, growers out there? In this video I'm responding to a request from you guys to demo how to build one of our tent package kits. We've listened, we're going to do it, but after a bit of thinking of how best to do this, we're going to break it down into smaller manageable instructional videos. Today we're going to talk about how to put together an extraction kit. So here we have all the components: an RVK 150L system air fan, the Rhino Pro filter, and then underneath the table I've got a few things like fast clamps, Jubilee clips, mains cable and a bit of ducting. I'll pull them up in a minute. So let's start putting this kit together, guys. So first things first, take off the polythene cover. I'm not going to do it on this one because I want people to know that it's still intact, but if you don't remove this it ain't going to work. Then you want to take the pre-filter and peel it back. And then get that and throw it away. Slide over the pre-filter. And again, just make sure you do remove the polythene from this. Slide it all the way down. Cool, next. Take a fast clamp, just sit it on top. And on this fast clamp, there's an Allen key screw fix which pulls it all tight. Sit it down on top of there. Then, let's take your fan. Needs to be wired by someone who is capable. Okay, I'm not going to show it on here now. I don't want to instruct somebody to do something that they don't understand. Please make sure whoever does wire it is able-bodied to do so. One of the things you need to focus on with putting this fan on top of this filter is direction of flow. Now there is an arrow on here that indicates the flow of air. That's indicating it's going from underneath here and coming out of here. So essentially sucking air through the filter, blowing it out the other side. We sit this on top of our fan and filter with a fast clamp. Take an Allen key and tighten this nice and tight to the point where you can hold the fan and it will hold the filter to it. And make sure it is nice and tight. So now you should be able to see I can hold the fan and lift the filter together. Next, Jubilee clip and some ducting. Our kits normally come with 5 meters of ducting. We're going to place the Jubilee clip over the end of the ducting. Just going to have to loosen it a fraction first to get it to slide over. Attach the end of the ducting on the other side of the fan. It is a little bit fiddly, guys. Then position your Jubilee clip. Needs to loosen it just a fraction more. So that it clamps both the ducting and the fan. And again, make sure that's nice and tight. Then you want to hang this in your tent somewhere out the way, high up, that it doesn't interfere with any other equipment. Send your ducting, if it's through your tent, through one of the air socks there, and make sure it's taken well out of the room. Other kits sometimes come without the fast clamp, and you just cut a short piece of ducting between this and clamp between the fan and filter, again paying attention to where the air movement is going, and again hang it in your tank as and where you need it. So this method can be translated to any size kit. Also, some kits, like I say, do come without the fast clamp, and you just put a piece of ducting in between here with extra Jubilee clips. That's so you can link the fan to the filter instead of using the fast clamp. For more information of what size extraction kit you may need, for what options are available, why not take a look online at www.onestopgrowshop.co.uk or come in store. Cheers guys!